Hello guys, welcome to DeFeed channel, and we're starting. It's GeekFi, and today we have a Crypto Pumper show. First of all, I want to say hello for everyone and to say happy birthday to Bella. Today is her birthday, so wish you everything you may wish yourself, and of course, happy trading. And for other guys who had the birthday this time, so happy birthday to you as well. So as far as I remember, Demir and some other guys. So June is very fruitful on birthdays, by the way. So till we were just waiting other people, I will tell you guys what we have been doing today. So today we will just overlooking our portfolio, and of course, as usual guys, we are providing the habit to invest every day, and or try to invest every day. So guys, of course, we will start today buying and trading within the welcome you guys, and of course do not hesitate to go to our main channel on the oh, I'm sorry guys, what's going on? So go to our main channel and subscribe if you haven't subscribed so yet. Today we are just providing the new videos, so look at them attentively guys, because we will provide today the crypto pre-sale picks, and this is very important guys. So on the other stream, maybe we will buy these coins, maybe all of them, maybe some of them. So guys, do not miss these projects, and take the best luck on IDOs and pre-sales. So I will share some of my picks also in Twitter later. Yeah, so you can see that today we've just been able to get some airdrop from the L token, mem token. So I wasn't sure that it will be just working, so I've just made one post there. So just take a look at all our posts we're doing, so maybe you will not miss a gem the next time. So, and of course we welcome you to have on our feed, so news feed and article feed, so where you can with the company with our hamsters read something useful, and have some thoughts about the crypto trading, and about all the crypto stuff here. So if you want to read something, yeah. So returning to our portfolio guys, currently we haven't been trading I believe since 21st of June. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 days, yeah. So actually we have a limit within the $30 here, but with the help of the Change Now wallet, so we will be able to invest more here today. So I will be picking up some cryptos, and let's go for the quick overview within the follow. So right now our follow just shorted the profit loss in $53. So actually my prediction previously was about the that we will be going down actually, and I believe that these times maybe we will be going down as well, but the Bitcoin price just going up. So even it's just higher than we started. So actually it's good time to look at the altcoins which are not growing. So and the topic of today's speech, of course, and today's discussion, why the main altcoins are not going up, so within the Bitcoin rising up. So one of the conclusions I'm coming across the analyzing crypto right now So the first point, of course, so do you remember, guys, the latest news I've just provided? In the US, the new exchange has been opened, yeah, and some whales just pumping up the Bitcoin Cash, and two others, cryptos. I don't remember which one. So, and other altcoins are just right now are in bad position. But for us, is it an opportunity to make more trades and get more positions in this. So we will be just analyzing what position to take off. Of course, I'm I'm still bullish on Polygon Matic, but we have seen no progress in it. And actually, if we go for the for here, so it goes for the second crypto here right now in our folio. So I don't think that it's good situation. So we need to enlarge our ETH, BNB, and other stuff. So that's why I will try to get more coins here today. What else we will be doing? So we will just analyze why they are not just growing. So my point here that right now many traders rebalancing their follows. So actually everybody is waiting till the Bitcoin will be just going to the level of 28 maybe thousand, yeah. So, and it's time to sell, for example, a little bit of your Bitcoins and buy more altcoins. So rebalancing your folio, because the prices right now are disbalanced, but it doesn't mean that Bitcoin will be shorter in time, because we can see that a lot of positions and a lot of resistance here, and if we will see the so the price of Bitcoin is going side. So you should be pay a lot of attention here. So if you have spare Bitcoins just to buy some altcoins, of course you can do this. And if you're just buying from the stablecoins, of course, do not sell your Bitcoin anyway. Okay, so what I want to talk a little bit to point your attention that in US the Robinhood lays off 10% staff of adjust to the volumes. So what does it mean? That the Robinhood, as the Celsius and other guys in the US have some problems there. So they're just struggling with all this stuff. So they just need to delist some tokens. They need to sell them and all other stuff. So I believe that they will be just selling more of their assets. And actually what I'm believing that the new huge wave of the bullish trend will go, of course, not from the US, but will go from the Asian markets. Yeah, so some time ago I said that the Hong Kong just made the first step for the crypto stuff. Yeah, so, and I believe that and I will talk about it a little bit later. So I believe that it's a new wave will be go there. And one more interesting news that FTX lied to banks about the commingled fund and management alleges. Why I'm just still following the news about FTX. So I believe that sometimes there are rumors that they will relaunch the exchange, and I believe we've bought the FTX token a little bit. And look at this, it showed 30% of just the initial price. So I bought it on $1. Yeah, so right now it's $1 and 30 cents. And I know, of course, a lot of people were holding the FTX and they just bought it into 34,000. Sorry guys, $34 and so on. So we buy it for the $1, so it's really cheap right now. Nevertheless, so if they will relaunch the exchange, maybe they will make a derivative of the FTX token, and they're just talking about that. I will just go down. So the FTX current management team said that it's made a substantial progress in securing assets and has recovered more than 7 billion in liquid assets so far. And actually they still owned customers approximately 9 billion when it filed for the bankruptcy last year. So the vast majority of the defect, more than 6.4 billion, was in form of the fiat currency and stablecoins, blah blah blah. But they haven't been closed yet, yeah. So they're just making some. So they just make some recoveries, and if they will get, for example, some investment. So, and I believe that many of the big players here do not want to close actually FTX. So if they will get some investments, and they will get investments, for example, on the bull run, so the next bull run, so they can actually restore all of their power, maybe, and maybe they will go, for example, in top 50 exchanges easily. They can go there. And if the community will support them in this way, so the FTX token can go back, for example, to $20 maybe, yeah. So that's why I've got just put $10 here, just in case they will recover, and we will not lose, more in this case. But if they will go for the $20, so it will be very nice. Yeah, it will be very nice. So maybe I'm not very bullish on this, but actually trying to just to get some, for the low bunkers, your folio can be a little bit riskier than the average folio. Yeah, so usually I'm saying that the 50% of your folio should, belongs to the some, like less volatile or just standard crypto like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and so on. But if you are low bunkers as we are, so you can go there and buy something interesting. So another one, a point here is a near. And today I think we will buy some near coins. Hello, Rookie. What do you think about the Metaverse coin? Will it be good in the long term? Okay, I will just interrupt myself for a little. What about the metaverses, and what about the GameFi tokens? I believe that they have some, valuation. I believe that some, big metaverse coins will be very valuable. Why? Because they will survive. So there are a lot of metaverses right now. Yeah, so we have a lot of metaverse. And every project, in the last year said that we are metaverse. We're providing GameFi metaverse. We're providing some metaverse for the social activities. We're just a big ecosystem, and so on and so on. And I believe that on the market, during this after this bear market, will stay only maybe 10 metaverses. Yeah. So first of all, look at the top 10 metaverse coins. Yeah, something like Mana Sand, maybe Cirrus Coin, I don't know. But actually, guys, I said before, so it was really on the previous bull market, it was really too overhyped within the metaverses. So something like AI coins right now, So you need to take them only if you believe that they will survive after this crypto winter. So I believe that there is still crypto winter actually. So that's why I'm not buying a lot of Metaverse coins. So actually, if you look at our portfolio, so actually it's absolutely public. You can see it. I will just share with you maybe. I cannot do this. Okay, I will just copy this. So you can just look at this folio. So and you will see that there is no so many big projects which are connected with the metaverses. So we're just concentrating on the exchanges, on the ecosystems, maybe a little bit risky stuff like meme coins and other stuff, but mainly I haven't got the metaverse folio right now. Why? Because we need more liquidity in just standard stuff here like BTC, ETH, and others. Yeah. So I will return to near. So the near is ecosystem. Yeah. So ecosystem which had a lot of traction in 2022. So but it wasn't so hype, for example, like Solana and so on. But these guys just make some good development. So, and right now, Near Foundation partners with Alibaba Cloud Near, and they increased over 15%. The Near Foundation, the non-profit overseeing the Near protocols ecosystem development, is partnered with Alibaba Cloud and the Chinese tech giant compute and storage arm to accelerate Web3 expansion in Asia and Middle East. So the collaboration provides a near access to Alibaba Cloud's developer ecosystem across Asia and Middle East. So, and actually, Near Protocol provided a lot of grants to developers. Last, I suppose, 2 to 3 years. So it was really easy for the projects to get the grant, for example, 20,000 or something like this. So customers will also be able to utilize the Near blockchain operating system, platforms that Alibaba introduced earlier this year that enables developers to build onto the communicate with other users while leveraging Alibaba Cloud's infrastructure. So and if we can see the prices, so if we can see this, yeah, so this drop up, but still if we go for this year, so we're in good position, yeah, for the buying. And the first actually stuff we will buy thanks to our sponsor today, it's Now Wallet. So you can see the link in the description. So my personal advice, if you want non-custodial wallet, yeah, so with the multi-chain like multi-chain wallet in your wallet, yeah. So it's a good solution. So we have been provided with some liquidity here. So today I will take some Near protocol here. So let's find Near. So we will buy Near on BSC, and first actually I will okay, let's count. So I said that we've just been provided with 6 days without any trade. So I believe we will buy Near right now for maybe $40. Yeah. So okay, let's go and do this. So we have some USDTs. Let's find Near. We can find it. Okay. So maybe, yeah, some $40 here. Actually, we need to split our USDTs on TRX network between other networks. So to lower the fees actually. Okay, so let's do the exchange, and you can see that okay, join to receive a cashback. So okay, so actually today I was logging for this one, but seems to me okay, I will do it again a little bit later. So we can see that the price of the near is quite good right now. So I will relog in my wallet right now to get the benefits. Wait a sec. Okay. Okay. Oh, some big window. Okay, so we go there, and yeah, I believe we can buy something like this one. Okay, while it's still exchanging, so we can copy the transaction and open it in our browser to see what's going on here. Okay, it's just been providing. So I want to speculate a little bit more about the Asian markets. So I believe that Asia will be the driver of the next cycle. Because right now the regulations in the US and Europe are, tightening the screws, Asian countries are opening doors for the cryptocurrencies. So they see the opportunity to attract more traders, to attract more, liquidity, more capital in Asian market. Yeah. So I will just go in briefly what's happening right now in Asia. So let's start with the Japanese. Yeah, guys. So usually the Singaporean and Japanese, markets are very closed, very closely, follow the US regulations. But right now we can see that the trends, changing a little bit. Yeah, so they are just changing a little bit, and the Japan has launched a cryptocurrency support program right now. So they announced that unrealized profit from crypto issued by the companies themselves will be no longer taxed. So, and Japanese largest bank, MFUG, just discussing the launch of the global stablecoins. I will try to find this news right now. Let me see this. Okay. So Mitsubishi UFG Financial Group is in talks with companies behind the popular global stablecoins as well as other firms about issuing such tokens via the Japanese banking giant's blockchain platform. So the Japanese stablecoin Lua, one of the first among major economies, became operative on June the 1st, and in effect means that the only nations, licensed banks, registered money transfer agents, and trust companies can issue the tokens. So what does it mean? So actually, it's not the limitation; it's an opportunity. Yeah. So, and I believe that Mitsubishi Bank will just they can do this, so the issuers and users can feel safe using the stable coins. Now legislation is in effect, Saito said. He declined to specify which stablecoins parties MUFG is talking to. So we can only, speculate on this, but it is good news for the stablecoins. So, and the market will be, we will see, I believe, less fluctuations about the USDC, USDT, yeah, and other stuff. So, and BUSD, I believe. So I believe that they will make some regulation there, and it will be, very nice, yeah, here. So other big news here is that, the contrary to the US, Indonesia has declared 500 points as commodities, not securities. Among them, the BTC, ETH, LTS, Solana, ADA, XRP, DOT, SAND, and UNI. So it's a you know, guys. So when other doors are closing, so Asian doors are opened right now. And one more important thing, that Singapore is a mecca of cryptocurrency companies. So I was in Singapore 2 times actually, and all the center of the Singapore is occupied with the offices with the blockchain companies. So, and many giants like OKX, Bybit, Circle, Ripple. So they obtained license there, they registered there, and then Visa just launched Bitcoin debit cards in partnership with Cryptocom there in Singapore. So this one another big point in Asia, which will be just one of the hubs for the cryptos there. So, and in South Korea, so they're creating the blockchain hub and special fund to support the study of metaverses. So the South Korea is a country is named among the main competitors of the US in the field of digital currencies. So if you remember, guys, from the 2017, as there are a lot of exchanges, Korean, basic exchanges, a lot of ICO IDOs just going up on the Korean. So it's very popular and hypey stuff there. So you need to be, to pay much attention here. So what else here? So let me see, let me remember what else the news about the Asian stuff here. Okay, while I was talking, our stuff was ready, so we will just get it to the to our cryptofolio. So another stuff is Hong Kong. So okay, let's do the first this stuff. So we've got this amount of Near tokens, Near protocol tokens. Let's go here. Okay, I will be back to my so let's go for the Near. Okay, that's nice. So every time I'm just, so do I need to divide the okay 40 USDTs? Yeah, I will divide on 25. No, this is wrong. Okay, 551. Okay, yeah, sounds like the truth here. Okay, so we've got near on $40 here, of course, and what we will do right now, I want to continue with the okay. Okay, and I've just provided all of the stuff in the okay. We can see that. So I will just the good stuff here is that I'm not quite in the wallet. It's interesting feature. Okay, right now, and the next one I wanted to point out that the Hong Kong actually, as I said before, they can be the center of the industry. Yeah, so they just so their alleged bank has allowed trading of Bitcoin as well as Ethereum ETFs. So they have launched their own stablecoin FDUSD. and actually the government has actively invited crypto exchanges to their jurisdictions. So, and following their intent, so the Bank of China, Chinese largest bank, said issued tokenized shares of Ethereum. So I believe that this will be a good point to start to start the next big wave from the Asian market, yeah, because Asia leads in terms of the user numbers, of course, as well. So according to the recent data, about 260 million people their own cryptocurrencies in Asia. So guys, this region is really full of potential here. Okay. So what we will doing next here, I believe that we need to buy some Ethereum, of course, for today, because you can see that the Ethereum is on the third place. So I want to enlarge our positions in Bitcoin, in Ethereum. So we will do this stuff here today. I believe so. We will. So I will not buy the Bitcoin, but we will. So okay, let's see 6 days. Yeah. So I believe we can enlarge our ETH on $40 as well. So one of my points, which I've just said to you every time on our stream, so you need to divide your assets, your just incoming assets. For example, you're part of your salary, or I don't know, some profits from other sources. So, and you can divide them, and for example, if you cannot invest, for example, every day for $5, you can wait, for example, a week and accumulate this liquidity. For example, not to spend a lot of fees, for example, when you're exchanging coins, when you're buying coins, and do some stuff. So you can, for example, make every week, for example, with one of the trades or something like this. Yeah. So sometimes, so we have a lot of streams during the week. So we have 5 to 7 streams, for example, and we cannot, for example, every day making the crypto pumper show. So we need to switch on GameFi projects. We need to switch on the other topics, and I'm count every day. So I'm just accumulating this liquidity and just provide this liquidity into the other coins the next days. Yeah. So you can do the same stuff. Okay. So let's pick another one coin. So it will be ETH. So let's do this right now. So I believe that we can take some Ethereum. Let's go for this, and we will take another one. Okay, I believe that we could go with maybe 20, yeah. Okay, so let's do this. Okay, till we will be just waiting. So one more stuff here. So if we are just going on in the very interesting that Europe and America are losing so much capital and liquidity, and enabling China to head the world cryptocurrency market. Actually, the Chinese guys actually are ruling the cryptos right now, because the most I believe that the most mining capabilities right now are concentrated into the in China right now. So it's the first point. The second point is that the China has more than 80% of um, all the rights on blockchain developments. Yeah, so the patents. Yeah, so so officially they have the um, intellectual rights on most of the developments in blockchain. So there are a lot of developments which were registered in China, not in the US. So, and this is actually, for example, for the blockchain, for example, for the Bitcoin consensus and for other, blockchain formations, it's really risky because if China, for example, will desire, for example, to destroy the cryptocurrencies or just influence the cryptocurrencies market, okay, they can just say that, okay, no mining in China. And while while the companies will think over how to manage their stuff and other stuff and other way, so there will be a totally collapse, for example, yeah, with Bitcoin and with other stuff. Yeah, that's why we're looking right now the optimal time to join the cheer as well. I believe we will do this a little bit later. And what else? And for example, so the companies which register their intellectual rights in China, for example, in blockchain sphere, so they will have to develop their products first in China, for example, then into the other world. So you can imagine that they can rule the whole situation in cryptos. Yeah. Um, I have doubts about China, but Near is very good investment, so do not have doubts about China's. Okay, so the cryptocurrency market search is very difficult for countries to control, but cryptocurrency is our future. Sooner or later, cryptocurrency will replace the paper money market. I believe that it's not the confrontation about the cryptos and about the fight markets, about the stock markets. So I believe that they will just integrate with each other. So I believe that it's the only way how it will be just happening, because every big guys here in crypto is the guys who has liquidity, and in fiat world, of course, it's the centralized banks. Yeah, so and of course. The centralized banks will play a huge role for the mass adoption of crypto, and we can see that right now the Deutsche Bank, the national banks of China, Hong Kong, Japan are just stepping forward to and a lot of Russian banks, as far as I remember, and a lot of European banks. Yeah, so they made steps forward to adopt the crypto. Why they are just doing this? Because they see that the potential becomes really huge. Yeah, so the market is growing. They cannot miss the opportunity to get some, hands on this market. Yeah. Okay, we've got the ETH. So let's go here. Okay, I'm just doing it so to just copying the numbers. Let's go there and add some ETH here. So I believe that ETH is really underestimated right now. I don't know why so, because so we've invested $20 here. Okay, let's divide it on 0.09 or 6108. 92, 35, 68, 9, 79, 44. Okay. Okay, that's nice. Yeah, $20 here. So yeah, there are some commissions, but I'm not very, okay, I'm not worrying about this because we're talking about the long-term, positions, about everything which we're doing for the long term. So I'm just still waiting. Ethereum will reach out something like 10,000 or maybe 8,000, I don't know, on the next bull run so easily. Actually, Ethereum as a ecosystem coin can repeat the destiny of the Bitcoin. So I remember how the Bitcoin just going up and up. So, and actually for some time we will go for the limitations, yeah, for the Bitcoin price, just increasing price. So that's why we are very bullish on this. I'm very bullish on the Ethereum because I believe he has a huge potential. It has huge potential in the market right now. So I believe that that's pretty much about the trading stuff and other stuff, yeah, for today. So, and I have one more positive news here today. So remember, guys, I've just made the overview of the max spread project. So actually I've got $200 here, and one of the plans, the minimum one is 100. So actually I have 200 to share with you guys. So two accounts can be top up with $100 each. So guys, if you're interested, so only 2 slots available. Just write us in the comments after the stream and after this live show. So I want, for example, the max spread account. I will provide you the instructions, and I will provide you this 100. So because I cannot use it, I wanted to spread out this amount for 10 people or 20 people, but then I just understand that you will need to buy a little bit more of these, coins, and it's a little bit risky. So I decided to provide to lucky people this opportunity just to register there, get the top up of $100. So you will not be able to get them back. So you will not be able to get them out, but they will provide you some profits in future. So they will just acting like a deposit. So if you're interested, just after the this live, just drop me a few lines here in the comment section. So not in the live chat, but in the comments after this video will be just be available as the record. Yeah. So I believe that's it. So okay, search slides that looked at what has been bought in South Korea. XRP is very popular there. Yeah. So because they're just connected with banks, so as far as I know, so that's why. Okay, guys. So I believe that's it. So have a nice day. See you tomorrow, guys. Tomorrow we will have another one stream, and it's a secret right now about the topic. So we will see. And love you all, guys. Welcome to the newbies. Subscribe to our channels, and have a lucky evening or day or whatever. Love you all, guys. Bye bye.